Hello, English Basic Grammar again with you. Today we start studying the passive voice. There are two voices, the active voice and the passive voice. The difference is, in the active voice, the subject or an object usually performs an action, and in the passive voice, the subject or an object experiences the action. So that is the difference. Not to make my videos too boring, I decided to unite them in accordance with the groups. And today we are going to study the whole simple group. I mean past simple, simple present and future simple for the passive voice. I hope it won't be very difficult right now because we know a lot. And by the way, if you still keep making mistakes in sentences or in grammar tasks that I give you, so will you please return to different lessons. They have different numbers and all of them have the names, so you can find the necessary structure and remember everything about it. And of course, don't be that shy. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be very glad if you can subscribe because there are 36 followers already, subscribers. And by the way, you can write any comment if you like, of course, and help me to improve my videos. So I think that we can start watching the video. Today, the group simple, past simple, simple present and future simple for the passive voice. Let's start. Hi my dears, English Basic Grammar with you again. Today lesson number 18, the passive voice, and we'll start with the whole simple group, past simple, present simple and future simple. The general formula for the passive voice, it is to be plus the verb, main verb, in the third form or with ending ed. So now it is easy and clear. To be for the past simple, was or were. So for the past simple, for the passive voice, the structure is was or were plus the third form of the verb or ending ed. The markers here are yesterday, last, for example, last year, last week, ago, 3 days ago, or in any year that passed, in 1990. Example, the house was built last year. To be in present, am, is, are. So the structure am, is, or are, plus the third form of the verb or ending ed. The markers, the words like always, usually, often, sometimes, every. Example, the houses are built here every year. The houses here in the plural, so are built. And for future, to be in future will be, so the structure will be plus the third form of the verb or ending ed. The markers tomorrow, next, in 2 days, in 2 weeks, and in any year that is going to be in 2050. Example, the house will be built next year. You can pause the video and study the slide. Time for checking, my dears. We have here 5 sentences with gaps, and each time it's necessary to choose the correct item from 3 or 4 given. So pause the video, take your time, and try to do it. Pay special attention to the subjects of the sentences, are they in the singular or in the plural, and to the markers. Now you can see the correct answers. The flowers in the plural and yesterday, past simple, so were bought. The second sentence, the flowers in the plural and tomorrow, future simple, will be bought. Number 3, 2 days ago, it is again past simple, the article in the singular was written. Next week, it is future simple, and the article in the singular will be written. And the last sentence, often, means regularly, so it is present simple, his ideas in the plural. His ideas are often used. Pay special attention to the adverbs of frequency. We use them after the verb to be, after the modal verbs, and before the main verbs. So here his ideas are often used by the other people. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.